Hey everybody, Stephen Norton here in the Tutoring Center. Right now we're using TutorMe, which is a free, instant, text-based tutoring service on your specific assignment. Right now, as you can see, we're using the chat over here with our tutor, and our tutor is writing on our shared whiteboard on our assignment. There's a lot of other great features as well. For instance, there's a shared calculator. There's even a code editor if you're working on code. You can share Google Docs, and you can upload assignments. So it's a great service, and everything is shared on the screen with your tutor. And you can choose to do a video chat or a voice chat if you like. But right now, we're just working with text, and we're working on the shared whiteboard. So yeah, check it out, TutorMe.